Let's take a look at the production process of salted egg yolks today. First, all the ducks in the duck pen are herded out, and the eggs that the female ducks have hidden are collected. They are then transported to the processing workshop. The eggs are arranged neatly on a conveyor belt, and any defective eggs are removed using a light inspection. A mixture of mud, salt, and water is prepared and poured into the mixer. The qualified eggs, inspected by the light, are rolled into the mixer via the conveyor belt. After being coated with a layer of mud, workers place them neatly in plastic baskets. These baskets are then wrapped in plastic film and placed in a cool, well-ventilated area. The eggs need to be marinated for around 20 days. During the marination process, the moisture content of the egg yolks quickly decreases until it reaches a solidified state. The egg yolk is fully cured and almost transparent when the marination is complete. The eggs are directly placed into a washing machine, where high pressure, water jets, and brushes clean the mud off the surface of the eggs. Another light inspection follows, and any unqualified eggs are removed. These salted eggs, after going through multiple rounds of screening, are then transported to an automatic egg cracking machine. After passing through, we get the salted egg yolks with a gemstone-like color.